Hi, my name is Vanessa, and I am a local working makeup artist in the San Francisco Bay Area in California. And this video is about Lashify and the proper removal of Lashify. I have been an avid wearer of Lashify for about 6 months now, totally hooked on them. Can go on without them. I've actually had these lashes. These are stacked, meaning they have 2 layers on them. So I have had these on for more than a week now. A little bit over 7 days, and I am ready to remove them. I can probably keep them on a little longer. They're still going. I can fix the corners or replace the corners and keep them on longer, but at this point I want to remove them. I want to be able to reuse them and just start a new set. And these are reused gossamers, meaning that they haven't already been cleaned and reapplied. And as you can see, they're in great condition. They're nice and soft, but like I mentioned, I'm ready to remove them. How to remove them? First of all, I never ever recommend pulling them. Even though the Lashify bond is a very forgiving, very soft, flexible bond, it actually doesn't harm your lashes. I still don't recommend ever tugging on your lash, because after a while, if you keep doing that, you can cause some damage, loosen your natural lash, or even lose some. And it's not going to be because of the bond or of Lashify, it's because it's going to be on that regular tugging that you're doing on your lash. So I never ever recommend it. I mean, if the lash is literally like ready to fall off and there's no tugging on your natural lash and you just kind of pull it off, I mean, no big deal. But I recommend to use a duo phase waterproof makeup remover. Lashify makes one called Melt Away. I do have to say I like it a lot. It's really gentle. It does the job. When I purchased the control kit, I did not get Melt Away, so I just used this Neutrogena oil-free. It's also a duo phase makeup remover. Even though it's oil-free, the fact that it is duo phase, it does have ingredients that sort of break down bonds, so it works out really great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Melt Away. Some people go in with a cotton swab. I sometimes use a tissue, but be careful with the cotton swabs because you may get some of that lint on your lashes, and they'll be a little bit more difficult to clean off. Something that I like to do is go in with a mascara spoolie. Get some of the Melt Away on there, and then just gently start going at the base of the lash. And get my mirror so I can see what I'm doing, and also on top. And this will definitely loosen it up. And again, the mascara spoolie is not completely soaked where it's dripping, it's getting in your eye or anything like that. Just enough. I can already feel, and as you're doing this, you can start feeling them just come loose, especially right here in the front. And see, I'm not tugging on my lash. See how this front just naturally just came off. This one is still a little sticky. And there it is. And now mine, if you notice, almost came off in one piece. The reason is because I use both the black and white bond. I also use night bond and glass to keep them on that long. So if you want to check that out and know the application technique for that, just check out some of my other videos, as I did a whole series on Lashify. So as you can see, lashes are off, and if I wipe, it also serves as a makeup remover. And my lashes look great. No damage to my natural lash. Actually, after wearing them for about 5 months, I took before and after pictures. before I started wearing Lashify, and at 5 months my lashes actually grew. Now, if let's say I wanted to clean the lashes right away, or if I wanted to just apply a brand new set after removing them, it is really important that you continue to go a little bit more with the melt away and really wiggle it in and make sure that you get all that bond off. Because even though it seems like there's not much on there, if I would go curl my lashes and put on some mascara right now, it would be a hot, clumpy mess because you can't feel it and you almost can't see it, but there is a bond there. So after I kind of wiggle it and kind of go back and forth, and if you notice, I'm not going back into the melt away to get more because I don't need any. There's still a lot on the brush. So I'm just kind of brushing it through and then wiping it off. Once I have done that, I still want to grab a mascara spoolie. I usually grab a different one, obviously. And now I go into with my pre-cleanse. This is from Lashify, and it's just a Japanese cleansing water. Some people use micellar water. I'm not a big fan because micellar water, different brands are made differently, and some of them do have like aloe vera or silicone-based products that can loosen the bond. Because now I want to take away any oils. So ideally, you would want to maybe cleanse, clean your eye, wash your face, but let's just say you just needed to remove them and reapply them right away. You can do this. Now I'm getting off all the oils with pre-cleanse. And pre-cleanse also serves like a toner. So you can go in on your eye too. Remove any oils, any leftover makeup. So now my eye would be ready, my lashes are set, and they're ready to curl and reapply my gossamers. So you can see what a difference lashes make. Gossamer, no gossamer, and that is how you properly remove. So the main points is no tugging. Maybe you want to avoid cotton pads and tissue so you don't get any lint on there if you want to reuse them. You can use a mascara spoolie to really get in there. Be gentle, don't like, go too harsh with your mascara spoolie because you don't want to scratch your eyelid or irritate them. So just be gentle just on the hairs to make sure that you get all that bond off. So hopefully this helped, and again, make sure to check out my other videos, my other series on Lashify. Again, I am local to the San Francisco Bay Area, but I also offer lessons and classes online. I can do live video tutorials just like this that cater to your own specific needs. Just email me at vanessaq.artistry, or you can go to my website, Beauty Market, to get more information. Thank you, and I'll see you guys soon.